Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disconnect account on the application of DoorDash. We click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to DoorDash and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. After that you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.